Have you ever felt stuck, even though you're trying your best? You wake up, you work, you push yourself, but deep down, you know you're not growing. The truth is, most people aren't being destroyed by failure. They're being drained, slowly, by habits so silent, they don't even notice. You don't lose your potential in one big moment. You lose it little by little, in everyday choices that seem harmless. Let's uncover the 5 silent habits that are quietly killing your potential every single day. Every second you spend scrolling, checking notifications, or switching between tasks, you lose focus. Distraction feels harmless, but it kills momentum. And without momentum, even the smartest person goes nowhere. We live in an age where your attention is the most valuable currency. Every app, every screen, every alert, fights to steal it. But the one who learns to control attention, controls their future. Focus is the new superpower. Protect it like your life depends on it, because it does. You dream. You plan. You analyze. But when it's time to act, you freeze. Overthinking doesn't make you smarter, it just keeps you safe inside your comfort zone. You start doubting yourself before you even begin, replaying every what if in your mind. Days pass. Weeks pass. And in the end, you're still at the starting line. Remember, perfection doesn't build success. Action does. You don't need to have it all figured out, you just need to begin. You scroll through others' lives and start doubting your own. But comparison is a thief, it steals gratitude, peace, and drive. You can't become your best self while wishing you were someone else. When you compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20, you forget how far you've come. It blinds you to your growth and kills your confidence. Stop competing with others, start competing with your past self. Focus on progress, not perfection. Your race, your pace. The most dangerous word in success is later. You think you're just resting, but you're slowly training your brain to delay everything that matters. Tomorrow feels safe, but it's a trap that keeps you stuck in almost. Every day you wait, your dreams fade just a little more. Discipline isn't built in big moments, it's built in the small decisions you make daily. Do it now, even if it's messy, even if it's uncomfortable. Because someday is not a day on the calendar. You become what you tell yourself every day. If your inner voice keeps saying, I can't, I'm not enough, you'll live like it's true. Your mind listens to every word you feed it, and shapes your reality around it. Negative self-talk destroys potential faster than failure ever could. Replace I can't with I'm learning. Replace I'm not enough with I'm growing. The most powerful transformation begins when you start speaking differently to yourself. Because the most powerful conversation you'll ever have is with yourself. These habits don't destroy you overnight, they drain you drop by drop. But the good news is, you can stop the leak. Start with awareness. Fix one habit at a time. Your potential isn't gone, it's just buried under patterns you can still break. Remember, it's not the loud failures that kill dreams. It's the silent habits you ignore.